kayo ng one word that best describes Ali. Okay, so first, you will be wrapping your way out papunta kay Ali. And when you reach the center, you will be revealing your gift to Ali. At pag na-reveal ninyo, hand that gift to Ali at dito nyo i-describe si Ali in one word. Okay. So, for our first candidate, please welcome Marian Manalo. Let's go. At the center, show your gift to everyone. And your gift, cologne, a perfume, and nail polish. Alright. Maria, what is that one word that best describes Abby?
Lovable po sir.
Lovable. Bakit lovable si Abby?
Ano po, si Ali po kasi parang pag nakikita po, nagkikita po kami, hey Bes, parang wala po siyang sama ng loob po sa
Alright, thank you very much, Marian Manalo. Ngayon naman, tawagin natin the next candidate, Shaina Akusan. And Shaina, please reveal your gift to everyone. Vanity gift, something like that. Okay, Shaina, what is that one word that best describes Abby for you?
intelligent po.
Intelligent. Bakit mo nasabing intelligent si Abby?
Kasi po, this past few weeks po, is nagsistruggle po kasi ako sa aking research. And palagi po talaga akong nalapit kay Ate Ali for tips po para po sa research. So, lagi po talaga binibigay po niya yung best na advice po sa amin. So, yun po.
Nahihirapan kasi rin. Hindi mo pa ba siya nakahanap? Hindi, joke. Alright,